Hey everyone and welcome to Plugincy. Today I will introduce you to one of our most powerful plugin, one-page quick checkout for WooCommerce. If you want to reduce the cart hassle and check out faster, then this plugin is made for you. We have pop-up checkout, direct checkout and one-page checkout. You can easily check out with pop-up and get the Ajax experience. And from here, you can discover our one-page checkout features, quick and easy pop-up checkout, direct checkout button, one-page and single-page checkout, checkout without page refresh, quick view, buy now buttons, slide-out menu card, trusted badge on checkout form customization, product quantity controls, remove items directly on checkout, support with any page builder. And follow the steps for a better checkout. You just need to install the plugin, then customize your checkout and go live. In our shop page, you will get one-click direct checkout pop-up option, variation selection on shop, category or archive pages, customizable quick checkout button. And you can view the demo from here. As we have one-page and single-page checkout, you can enable one-page checkout for all products and you can also enable one-page multi-product checkout, and here's the variation for the checkout. We have quick view in shop and product categories. To see demo, you need to just click here. We can enable side cart and go direct checkout, and can also add Ajax add to cart on single products, which helps faster shopping and get more sales, and this is fully responsive for all devices. We have also some additional features and enhancement like managing checkout process, behavior management, visual checkout form editor, and trusted badges displayed. We have secure payment system and 30-day money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer support and lifetime free updates. So that's the quick tour of one-page quick checkout for WooCommerce, the plugin that transforms your checkout process into a fast, modern experience. Try the free version or explore the pro features at plugincy.com and start boosting your WooCommerce sales today.